Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be making a gravity light. I started by cutting two pieces of 150mm square plywood. I then cut a 50mm hole. This will be for the motor. I also drilled holes for mounting the boards. I then measured and cut a 20mm hole in the other board to mount the bearing. These two boards will be for mounting the rotor. Now it's time to make the shaft. I cut a 60mm long by 50mm diameter PVC pipe. I use PVC pipe because the resin will not stick to it. While waiting for the resin to dry, I drilled holes in the wall and inserted knock-in anchors. Afterwards I cut 200 by 8 threaded bars. This is to mount the wooden sides for the rotor. Then I put the first side for the motor onto the threaded bars and solder wires onto the motor. Once the resin has dried, I measured and drilled holes in the center. This is so that I can put a piece of threaded bar so they can support the shaft. I then sanded the shaft so they can fit tightly onto the sprocket. Once the rotor was done, I glued the bearing into the others to support the rotor. I then drilled holes in to mount the bracket for the motor. Now it's time to put everything together and test. I put a bicycle chain, added a weight to it and joined a light to the motor terminals. And there you have it, a gravity light. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.